Let's be honest, hot tubs kind of all look the same. Hot water, comfy seats, a bunch of jets. So what makes a Barefoot Spa so radically different? The answer lies not in what you see, but what you don't. When you're trying to relax, the last thing you want is to stress about germs. That's why Barefoot Spas created the ultimate self-cleaning hot tub with a sanitation system so advanced it was granted a US patent, and it all comes standard on all premium models. Here's how it works. Ozone is a natural gas that purifies water, destroying bacteria and viruses on contact. In most spas, ozone injection is capped at 50 milligrams per hour. Go any higher and it can be unsafe to breathe. But Barefoot's patented system safely injects 200 milligrams per hour, 4 times the amount allowed in other spas, while emitting even less breathable ozone. Add in our industrial-grade ultraviolet light that neutralizes even more contaminants, and it's easy to see why Barefoot really does deliver the cleanest, hands-free spa experience. Here's the science. Ozone remains active for about 20 seconds. Most spas release it straight into the tub, where it bubbles up and vanishes in just 2 to 3 seconds. But Barefoot's patented system traps the ozone under the water, holding it for the full 20 seconds before it ever reaches the surface. By then, it's totally safe to breathe, and your water truly clean, and all without that smell of chlorine. So, whether you're buying a premium Barefoot hot tub or swim spa, you can relax with the peace of mind that comes from a self-sanitizing water system designed to keep your spa clean, safe, and effortless.
I have a daughter that has severe eczema, and I know if she goes in somebody else's hot tub because she's coming home with rashes, itchy skin, versus she can get in ours with the ozonator. The chemical usage is so low, it doesn't irritate her skin.
I have no chlorine, really. I don't use harsh chemicals. It is as natural as it can be. When you get out, you don't have that chemical smell, the chlorine.
The tub itself pretty much runs itself. It cleans itself.
City approves.
Barefoot Spas are proudly made by a veteran-run company right here in the USA. You deserve one now. So click below and build your hot tub or swim spa right on our website. Then simply click to have it delivered right to your home. Because your family deserves the peace of mind that only comes with a Barefoot Spa. So live life better. Live life barefoot.